Aloha!
Aloha!
Hey, thank you for watching. Patricia and I are safe, and we hope you are too, and thanks a lot for watching us today. Hey, Patricia and I are up at Kapalua Bay, the beach here at Kapalua. I showed you a little video. We're the only ones here. You know, we're still having the shutdown, but we're gonna come up here and shoot some video of this beach. I'm gonna jump in the water and do a little snorkeling with an underwater camera. We can't wait to show you this beach. Patricia's gonna be walking up and down, and hang with us because our second beach today is kind of a surprise beach. We call it our sexy beach, and Patricia's actually gonna be doing some fishing. So anyway, let's get started. This is Kapalua. Thanks for joining us. Let's go take a look at this beach.
Let's go!
Really good snorkeling. Can see a lot of fish. A lot of fish. But let me tell you, when you are shooting with underwater camera, there's two types of people. Those that have already flooded a housing and those that will. That's what happened to me today. I had so many fish, but the housing flooded and ruined my camera. Folks, we had a good time here at Kapalua Bay, Kapalua Beach. Nobody here. See lots of fish. The snorkeling is excellent. But now we're going to go to another beach. Can't wait to show it to you. And Patricia's going to do some fishing. So come along. We're not through yet.
Aloha! We are Olowalu Landing Beach. I'm ready to fishing.
Hey, like Patricia said, we're at Olowalu Landing. We call it Sexy Beach. This is a place we're going to kind of swim and snorkel, and Patricia's going to do some fishing. Where is it? Well, I'm going to post a video link right above of a video I did here that'll give you complete directions. It's right across the street from Leota's Kitchen and Pie Shop along Highway 30 headed to Lahaina Town. In fact, let me put you a map right here real quick, and then I'm going to show you Olowalu Landing. We're going to have some fun down here. Come on, let's go. This is one of our favorite places to come. Is it a really great beach? No, but it's very private. You can do a lot of swimming and snorkeling here in really shallow water. And also Patricia's gonna do some fishing. We love this place, mostly because there's nobody ever here. Here's Patricia fishing. Sometimes she catches something, sometimes she doesn't.
Be back.
Hey, thank you folks for joining us. Man, we took you to Kapalua Beach and then down here to Patricia's favorite. What's it called?
Sexy beach.
Sexy Beach, Olowalu Beach. Anyway, we love this place. I showed you a map. There's also a link back there how to find it. Folks, we are fine and we hope you are too. We hope your entire family is healthy during this really tough time. So once again, thanks for watching. And Patricia and I really thank you.
Yeah, really, thank you.
Thank you.
To stay with us.
Yep. And we're going to keep trying to do a few more videos. All right, once again, please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you leave some comments, ring the bell. Also, I'm going to put about a minute at the end here of what Front Street looks tonight as retail is opened up. But early this morning, nobody was open. So we'll see if anybody's open. All right, thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.
Aloha.